तो बहुत बोरिंग हो गया ना गाइस। ये बताओ कि आपने हमें क्यों ज्वाइन किया, व्हाट्स द रीजन बिहाइंड इट और व्हाट आर योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस? एनीवन?
कोई भी हैंड रेस करके बोल दो।
हर्षित, वैसे तो ग्रुप पे मैसेज सीपीटीपी के रिगार्डिंग ही आया था, इसी comprehensive business training program, something about business, I guess.
It's about startup, upskilling, and how to build your business from scratch.
Wow, business
Yeah,
से startup, startup से business, sounds interesting.
actually everything starts with a startup. एक surface level से start करके then you move on to business models, then business and sponsors वगैरह, उन सब की knowledge आपको इस sessions में मिलेगी. And this is basically the kickoff meet where you'll get all the instructions regarding how to join, how to interact with us, how to ask questions, what will there be in the program after all the sessions following this one.
Kickoff meet as of kickoff.
No, it's not about elimination of anyone. It's just about interacting with you guys and giving you the basic instructions about the program.
या अक्षत रावत, राजू यादव, आपके डाउट क्लियर किए जाएंगे। लास्ट में डाउट सेशन होगा, उसमें सारे डाउट्स हम लेके आपको बताएंगे। थैंक्स फॉर
Great to have you all here today. तो जब भी आपको कोई doubts होंगे and you want us to clear out something, so in the end we have a session as Ronak said. तो हम उस वक्त पे कर सकते हैं and you can like write in the chat if you have any queries in the between. We'll take that at the end.
Okay, it seems we are live now. Let's start. So, good evening, everyone. I hope you're all excited and thrilled, and the Josh is high. You all have joined from the comfort of your homes. कोई बेड पे लेटा होगा, कोई कुर्सी पे बैठा होगा. Someone may be joining from a cafe, someone is tuning in from the park. But still, don't you think we are missing out on so much more? Dealing with the roommates, booking friends in the canteen, and doing crazy things in college days. What do you think, Lokik? What is your take on it?
Harshit, as you said, missing the campus. I am one of them. And also, I can see many people tuning in the meet. So I guess they are already excited to get back into the campus. I think there are a lot of them. So just don't worry. Acer has got an exciting workshop series for you all. We'll be sharing a lot of things that we are looking forward in the event and answer all the queries we have received. Today's session is packed with interaction opportunities and we have tried to make it as lively as possible.
That being said, let me introduce you to our hosts for this evening. Hi, my name is Harshit.
I am Lokik.
Lokik, greet them.
We welcome you to the first edition of the Comprehensive Business Training Program being conducted by Entrepreneurship Cell and IIT Hamirpur.
Now, let me give you a brief intro of our family. ECEL is a group of like-minded people from diverse backgrounds who all have come together to bridge the gap between who we are and who we want to be. We aim to provide a platform and resources to all the budding entrepreneurs and help you discover the hidden entrepreneur inside you. We have conducted several events since its foundation, including the Startup Internship Program, Startup Founder Talk Show, and we wish to keep hosting such events to empower the energetic people just like you all. So that was all about us. Now get ready for the next thing we have.
It is said that a picture is worth 1,000 words and a video is a million pictures. To give you all the glimpse of the series, we have an exciting trailer for you all. So just sit back and enjoy the trailer. I just wanted to interact with everybody in the chat box. Just let me know in the chat box who all are interested to get back to the college, and what else do you think? Like, what are your expectations and all? At least who all are excited, just spam yes in the chat box. I want to see the who all are just really excited to get back to the campus, right? Oh, I could see a lot of them, right?
You all might be wondering when they will start with the main thing, right? So, to start off with it, we have received several doubts about the event, and there are a few things we would like to briefly tell you all so that you all are well prepared for the upcoming session. All of these would be cleared out by my teammates.
Now, I would like to hand over the stage to Briti, Ronak, and एक बंदा था संदेश. बहुत किच-किच करता है, बहुत सवाल हैं इसके, बच के रहना.
थैंक यू सो मच हर्षित.
हेलो यार, सो आज ये क्या कुछ अभी कर रहे हो तुम लोग? अभी इस बार क्या कुछ कर रहे हो, कुछ तो भी बताओ.
Arey Sandesh, don't you remember? We are here with this huge audience today to talk about CBTV. Does it ring a bell?
Yes, so it is a 7-week long comprehensive business training program. In short, we also called CBTP. आपने काफी जगह सुना होगा ग्रुप्स के अंदर की लाइक CBTP. तो बेसिकली comprehensive business training program.
Okay, so what do we aim for it?
बेसिकली हमारे सारे सेशंस काफी ज्यादा इंटरेक्टिव होंगे जिसमें आप कंप्लीट स्टार्टअप्स के बारे में बिल्कुल बेसिक और स्क्रैच लेवल से सीख रहे होंगे. ये सेशंस आपको अपने पर्सनल ग्रोथ प्लस आपकी स्टार्टअप ग्रोथ में काफी ज्यादा हेल्प आउट करेंगे.
Arey, to be precise, a road to unicorns, a journey from zero to building a billion-dollar company. Isn't that amazing, Sandesh?
Okay, I get it. But what was the need to do such things? आज बहुत सारे कोर्सेज है बाकी जगह भी, तो ऐसा यहाँ क्या करवा रहे हो जो वहाँ पे तुम्हें नहीं मिल रहा है, ये तो बताओ.
या संदेश, आई एग्री, इंटरनेट पे लोड्स ऑफ कंटेंट इज अवेलेबल, बट हमने कोर्स को यूनिक बनाने के लिए अभी करंटली जो एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही है उनको देखते हुए हमने कोर्स को फ्रेम आउट किया है.
And hence we thought that this is a very good time to come up with an event where we can promote and we can encourage as a startup enthusiast go, just like you all, to just give you a nudge and a push that you need.
Okay, I get it. It's cool, but I guess it's a big workshop, so it seems something out of the ordinary. So what is in there it for me?
या संदेश, आई क्लियर आउट. बेसिकली हमने इवेंट को डिजाइन ही इस तरीके से किया है कि इट्स वेरी शॉर्ट एंड इंटरेस्टिंग, एंड आपको सर्टिफिकेट्स भी मिल रहे होंगे आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ वर्कशॉप सीरीज, एंड आपके जितने भी सारे क्वेश्चंस है वो हमारे एक्सपर्ट स्पीकर से आंसर हो रहे होंगे.
Okay, so can you tell me something more about it कि क्या कुछ कैसे करने वाले हम अभी आगे?
Hanji, so see, here is the main thing that we've planned some amazing and engaging post-event activities for the week long for all the participants present here. And the first plus point is that all the participants would get a chance to register as teams or individually, and they can submit the task as per their convenience. Either they can form a team of 2 or 3 or individually. मैं हिंदी में भी समझाती हूँ कि the people who there is a chance कि जो भी participants अभी यहाँ हैं जो आपको task दिए जाएंगे, you can also do that in a group of 2 or 3 people or individually as well. And in any case, you will be graded for each task as per your submission day. तो अगर आप Monday को कर रहे हो, then you'll get 100 points, Tuesday 80, and the list goes like this. And Saturday को we close the registry, the submission of the forms and after that you won't be able to submit this task. So make sure that you're very actively participating, and these tasks are very personally organized for you, so please hold on to it as well.
Second great thing is that we have three categories of participants. Like breakdown. In first category, अगर आपने सारी workshops attend की है, but आपने कोई भी task नहीं किया है, so simply you get a certification of appreciation. In second category, अगर आपने सारी workshops attend की है, plus आपने सारे task किए हैं as a team or individual, so आपको एक special performance based certificate मिलेगा. In third category, अगर आप हमारी top 10 teams के अंदर और individuals में आते हो, तो आपको एक एक्स्ट्रा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी हमारे बेस्ट इन्वेस्टर्स के सामने अपना आइडिया पिचिंग करने के लिए इन आवर अपकमिंग ई समिट.
Yes. So as Ronak said कि 3 categories हैं, तो guys please buckle up a little, and for this a Google form would be released just after this kickoff meet, and it has to be filled by all the participants, and you can also call in your friends with whom you would like to do the task, and this particular form would be considered as the team formation final form. This would be the final acceptance for the upcoming workshops, so don't worry if you have not registered till now. We'll release the final form and then you all can abide by that. So one small thing that all of you should take care of, that if you don't write the correct details in the form, you might end like Bandesh Sansal instead of Sandesh Bansal. So please take care of that.
Yes guys, mind you, do take care of this everyone. Like आपको अपना full name ध्यान से भरना होगा, plus college, school, organization name and phone number and your correct email ID and team members name and details. Please clearly fill out करना ये सारी details.
हाँ जी, ये सारी डिटेल्स सही से नहीं फिल करी तो सर्टिफिकेट्स और सब खराब हो जाएगा, तो सब लोग प्लीज ध्यान देना इस चीज का. संदेश समझ आ गया होगा, आई होप. आई नो
Guys,
काफी
you need
लंबा
to
हो
calm
गया.
down. Guys, you need to calm down. There is no competition, but a healthy formal environment to grow and learn. We assure you, if you are passionate and willing to build something of your own, you will never regret after attending this event.
ओके ओके, अभी चलो ठीक है, अभी तुमने सब कुछ अभी बोल दिया, बट द थिंग इज हाउ विल आई बी मेकिंग माय टीम. अभी मैं अभी तक कॉलेज भी नहीं गया एंड अभी तक मैं मेरे कॉलेज वाले दोस्तों से भी नहीं मिला, सो मैं मेरी टीम कैसे बनाने वाला हूँ?
अरे here's the best part, पता है, you can participate with anyone and everyone. It is open सारे colleges के लिए, school students के लिए, alumni के लिए, professionals के लिए. अरे जिसको भी करना है तुम किसी को भी बुला सकते हैं. Like you just have to have the will कि तुम्हें कुछ नया करना है और you want to learn something better in your life. It does not matter तुम्हारा age क्या है, what your work profile is, but what we do is that we welcome everyone with whole heart. And you can team up with anyone in nationwide, so that's not an issue.
Okay, but what I think is what we can do is हम सारे participants की एक list करके सबको like वो अभी like वो वाली list दे देंगे and then they can team up by themselves, क्योंकि उन सबको name and the roll number and the college they would also get. So I guess ये better idea रहेगा कि हम सारे participants को उनकी list दे देंगे and then they can team up by themselves.
Yeah, that's actually a really good idea. So what we'll do is we'll release a list, a PDF, where हमारे पास सारे participants के name होंगे जो finally register करते हैं, उनके mail IDs डाल देंगे so that you can connect with them, and college names, क्या पता आपको कोई अपने college का मिल जाए and you can team up with them and interact with them that you haven't done till now. So that's a very good idea, Sandesh. I'm proud of you.
Cool. Okay, one more thing. I guess there are so many things in a workshop. I guess it would be paid, of course. So it's not for me. मेरे को इतने पैसे घर वाले तो नहीं देंगे.
Like काफी स्टूडेंट्स अभी सोच रहे होंगे कि ये अगर फ्री है तो ये इतना वैल्यूएबल नहीं होगा और कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं होगा. But our aim to provide world-class experience at free of cost.
Okay, then I guess we might be getting the CEOs of the best companies like Facebook and Google.
Hari, the theme of each session is different. And after a lot of brainstorming, we've thought and selected some very experienced mentors for all of you. So, kuch aise hain who started from scratch, been founders of a lot of startups, and in recent times only. They failed, they've got back up, and they are here to help you through this journey. Or Sandesh, Google, Facebook ke CEO nahi hai, but these people are equally well versed and experienced in everything. And they'll help you explore the basics that you need to know before entering this entrepreneurial realm.
Okay. Just wait. I want to ask one more question.
You'll never get tired. Go ahead.
Yeah. So what if I miss any of these sessions or the workshops? How will I be able to see all those workshops?
Don't worry संदेश, हमारे सारे सेशंस YouTube पे लाइव स्ट्रीम हो रहे होंगे. आप काफी स्टूडेंट्स वहां से देख भी रहे होंगे अभी. And you can always go back and refer to those. जब भी आपको देखने हो आप देख सकते हैं यूट्यूब के ऊपर रिकॉर्डेड सारे लेक्चर्स वहाँ पे होंगे। एंड अभी जो नेम से अभी काफी आपको डाउट आ रहा होगा कि लाइक कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव बिजनेस ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम, एंड नीचे उसके लिखा है कि ये बेसिक गाइड टू हाउ टू स्टार्ट ए स्टार्टअप। सो लेट मी ब्रेक डाउन इन इजी वर्ड्स। लाइक इट्स नॉट लाइक बिजनेस। हमने जो हमारी वर्कशॉप है इसको कंप्लीटली डिजाइन किया है कि एक बेसिक आपको कंप्लीट एग्जीक्यूशन पार्ट आपको यहाँ पे बताया जाए, लाइक थोड़ा प्रैक्टिकल वे कि आप हाउ टू बिल्ड एमवीपीज, एंड आप अपना आइडिया वैलिडेशन कैसे कर सकते हैं, अपने टारगेट कस्टमर्स को कैसे फोकस कर रहे होंगे यहाँ पे, एंड सो मोर। सो आपको सारा अपकमिंग इवेंट्स के अंदर आपको देखने को मिलेगा हमारे एक्सपर्ट स्पीकर से।
अरे रौनक, इतना भी सीरियस नहीं होते, इट्स ओके। नाउ लेट्स सी कि और क्या क्वेश्चंस आए हैं हमारी ऑडियंस के थ्रू हमें पहले।
So there are some very interesting questions which we try to answer in our best possible way. क्या ये कोर्स करके मैं अमीर बन जाऊंगा? हाँ जरूर, क्यों नहीं।
भाई अगर तुम्हारा स्टार्टअप बढ़िया बन गया तुम अमीर हो ही जाओगे ऑब्वियसली। And if will the kickoff meet be for eliminating the participants who will fill this form or anything? अरे it's actually not that I'll kick you off the meet. इसका मतलब ये है कि आपको एक हेड स्टार्ट देना था, जैसे स्टार्टिंग में हर्षित ने बोला, आपको बताना था हमें कि what is this actually about, क्योंकि बहुत सारे क्वेरीज से लोगों को समझ नहीं आ रहा था। So that is a kickoff meet. Okay, so इसके आगे I believe we have some more questions. Yeah. So we've received some queries about startups, idea valuation, about co-founders, like which idea is the right one, and a lot more. So what we have done is we've compiled all of them together with us. We have them saved here. Aap sabke questions, we'll put that up. We'll talk to our speakers if they can answer them in the best way possible. So you don't have to worry. All of these questions will be answered. You just have to be patient for the upcoming sessions. Okay, so moving on. Okay, so we have received some praises as well. All the best for your event. So whosoever this was, thank you so much. And we really appreciate that effort that you've made. And we can wrap up this fun conversation with Sandesh and Ronak. So we just like you to know that our next session is a full-fledged workshop with our first speaker that would be coming in, and that is on 2nd of October. This is the schedule that is presented on the screen. Then we have a talk about entrepreneurship, about to start or not to start up, and most of your questions would be covered in all of these talks. We also cover the topics like personal upskilling, where you get to learn skills, how you can make yourself better, and then only you'll be able to handle a business and a team of your own. And then diving deep into the problems that you're going to face, making you ready to face all the challenges. And then finally we'll sum it up with a very special panel discussion so that you all can actually understand what it is to be in their position. So please stay tuned. We'll have a talk every Saturday continuously for 7 weeks starting today. So just stay tuned every Saturday at 4 to 5 p.m. Okay, so we
welcome you, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so we have Harsha here who's going to take over now.
We welcome you, sir, as a guest of honor. We request you to say a few words of encouragement and authorize this event for people present here this evening.
Thank you. Thank you. Good afternoon, one and all present here, all the participants, all the team members, those who are attending this course. First of all, want to say sorry because there is a lot of problem before joining this program. So sorry for that. So anyway, let me start. So it is often said the secret to success is the consistency of purpose. It is by the quality and volume of its scientific work that an institute like this must be judged, by the extent to which it has helped to explore and push back the frontiers of knowledge. Greetings from NIT Hamirpur, ECL NIT Hamirpur. It is a great pleasure. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to the kickoff meet of the Comprehensive Business Training Program. I would like to thank every one of you for being here with us today. We are pleased to be able to welcome you, all those who have been with us for the years as now, and as well as those who are new to this community. Let me talk briefly about the ECL at NIT Hamirpur. The ECL, it is a non-profit student organizations established in the year 2019. It is the first of its kind in NIT Hamirpur, apart from several other societies and cultural teams making India a self-reliant nation. This comprehensive business training program, as the name implies, is it consists of a comprehensive 7-week long certified training program from the fundamental of the startups to a deeper look into the untold aspects of this program. Will take you through everything step by step. With this interactive session between our eminent speakers, as the name eminent speakers and participants, the team ECL aims to orient you, all the young minds, towards entrepreneurship and startup culture. This kickoff meet, or we can say workshop zero, will be an introductory session to guide the participants for upcoming events, providing a smooth train of thoughts. This will cover some of the important aspects and challenges faced by a beginner as an entrepreneur during his or her journey, along with the possible solutions to overcome those challenges. Further, this will also be an opportunity for all the participants to get the new ideas and all the requirements to set up a small or large scale entrepreneurship, along with all the possible industrial and research opportunities starting from the scratch. With this introduction, we are trying to find out the expectations of our participants from this event so that we can adapt adequately to foster their enthusiasm. I suggest to all the students to take part actively in this training program to gain more than just a business knowledge. With this platform, I will also want to share that ECL welcome all the enthusiastic students to join and contribute towards the growth of this cell. The official notifications, definitely it will be circulated shortly. Also, I would like to invite the students to come forward with innovative ideas which have good prospects to be commercialized. This institute will support those ideas to work through ECL, and we also have the opportunity to incubate those ideas through startup cells. We have another cell in the institute that is called startup. Lastly, I want to congratulate all the team members of ECL for their huge effort to conduct this event. We have high expectations from you all, and I hope that you will do justice to it. With this, I authorize this Comprehensive Business Training Program 2021 under ESL NIT Hamirpur. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. We are glad to have you here with us.
Thank you so much for that, Harsha, and thank you so much, sir, for joining us for this program authorization. Really glad to have you here. So everyone, now we'll be like taking any questions that you have. So we've actually received some questions. So I believe that we would have answered a lot of your questions while that conversation was happening. But then some questions are here, that what is the training program and what benefits we will get after this. So I believe this is clear now, that we'll be covering all the stages from starting to end about how to build a startup, how to learn these strategies, how to work on your own personal growth. And I believe this was doubt is clear now, and we have shared the schedule and we'll share it again. If you have any doubts, you can ask us on the group. We would always be available there.
Yeah.
So I'd like Ronak to take the next question.
Shivan Jani ने पूछा, do our friends need to register in this program? Yeah, sure. आपके कोई भी फ्रेंड हो, आप उसको रजिस्टर करवा सकते हैं. एज ए टीम और इंडिविजुअल आप उसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं.
Yeah, so I guess next question is how many members can join in a team? So like we can have 4 members at the maximum for the team. The form link would be circulated in the WhatsApp groups today, and its deadline would be, I guess, within 1 or 2 days. So you have to fill that form because that form will be the final form for which you would be eligible for the whole workshop series for the 6 weeks. Yeah. So I guess any other questions? I guess someone is also asking how to pitch up an idea. So actually these all things would be answered in the further talks. We are having the speakers from all the fields. So they would, I guess, answer all your questions in there itself. Participants, any other questions?
मोहम्मद मिंजा आलम ने पूछा है व्हाट वी हैव टू डू. इसका आपको मिल गया होगा आंसर कि लाइक क्या क्या स्टेजेस होंगे, उसके अंदर आपको पार्टिसिपेशन आप कर सकते हैं उसके अंदर.
And secondly, if you're asking about the tasks, so उसका आपको हर टॉक के बाद में पता चल जाएगा कि what is the task. And don't worry, आपसे कोई लंबी लंबी कहानियां नहीं लिखवाएंगे, आपसे कुछ नहीं करवाएंगे. It would be very easy, and it would be some kind of a self introspection that you learn a lot of things about yourselves that you don't even know existed within you. So be ready for all of this. We want to make it all exciting for you. Nothing is going to be boring, and we really look forward to have you all here.
Yeah.
So
one question is more. Free है कि paid? Like is completely free. आपको एक single rupee नहीं देना होगा. Like आप certificates all are free of cost. Nothing is paid.
हाँ जी. So I believe we don't have any other questions, and if we do have any questions, we can take them up at the WhatsApp group. We have opened it for now, and that would be all, I guess. Yes, and I'd just like to hand over the mic to Deepika Agarwal ma'am, our manager of ESEL, for the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Kriti. So to sum it all up, this workshop is not just a one-day talk session. It's a complete 7-week course schedule where you will be delivering a lecture. You will be delivered a lecture on each Saturday, and the week long you will be asked to do a small task. You will earn some brownie points based on the task you will be submitting and the day you will be submitting, which will help you to gain the access of the e-summit, which will be happening in December through ESEL. There are 3 types of certificate categories. Only participation certificate, if you only participate and do not do any task. The second category of certificate in which you will be participating as well as doing the task. The third is the invitation for the pitching round happening in the e-summit. This workshop is completely free of cost. You can register yourself individually or in a group of maximum 3 or 4 people. You can form groups among your friends, and you can ask them also to register. The group leader is expected to fill in completely their name and the team names. These names will be used for the certification process. On behalf of ESEL, it's my pleasure to extend a vote of thanks this evening. My sincere thanks to our guest of honor and faculty in charge of ESEL NITH, Dr. Tapas Pillai. It's hard to find words of appreciation for saying thanks to our audience who took part in the whole event very actively. At last but not the least, a big thanks to our ESEL team for their hard work and efforts. It was great having you all here. Take care, stay tuned for more updates on the groups. If you have any queries, you can reach out to us and do spread the word amongst others who might be interested in this workshop series. Good evening. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone, for joining in.